Hey everyone, welcome back to the VPN Ranks channel. So you're probably here because you've heard a lot about VPNs. And maybe you're wondering, are they really as safe as everyone says? Or are they just some overhyped app to watch Netflix in Japan? Well, we have good news for you. VPNs are actually super helpful, and today we're diving into why they're a must-have for your privacy. I'll keep it really simple, no tech overload, I promise. Alright. Let's start with the basics. VPNs or virtual private networks are one of the best tools to protect your data online. They create a secure and encrypted tunnel that hides your IP and location. It's like putting on a digital disguise, making it way harder for anyone to track what you're doing online. But are they foolproof? Well, not quite, but there's still an amazing layer of protection. So, what's a VPN? Imagine that the internet is like a highway, and without a VPN, anyone can see where you're going. This is where a VPN steps in, creating a super secure tunnel so your traffic is hidden from hackers and even your ISP. Sounds cool, right? Just to be clear, your internet service provider can still tell that you're using a VPN, but they don't know what for. And in some cases, like in Brazil, there could be fines for accessing geo-restricted sites like X. But for most of us, VPNs are a legal and safe way to protect our privacy. Not all VPNs are created equal. Some are premium and some are basically the dollar store version of online privacy. The best VPNs do take your privacy seriously, doesn't log your data, and use strong encryption. But if you consider those free VPNs, then you must know that some of them collect your data and sell it to third-party advertisers. So it's very important to pick a trusted VPN that's always got your back. VPNs work by encrypting your data and scrambling it so no one can read it. They also hide your IP address, making it harder for hackers and websites to track you. This is especially useful if you're using public Wi-Fi, like in a cafe. Hackers love public Wi-Fi, but a VPN locks up your data. So are VPNs safe? Absolutely, if you're using the right VPN provider. Think of it like an umbrella. It keeps you dry in a rainstorm, and for most situations, that's exactly what you need. VPNs offer strong protection against most online threats, especially when paired with good browsing habits. And if you're super privacy conscious, then you can even combine your VPN with Tor for an extra layer of security. That's like adding a second lock to your door. Alright, there you have it. VPNs are an awesome way to protect your privacy online. Just make sure to choose wisely. Stick with the trusted providers, avoid the free ones, and always read the fine print. And remember, a VPN is only a part of the puzzle. Good online habits still matter. If you found this video helpful, click on that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Do you use a VPN? If yes, which one's your go-to? I'd love to hear all about it. See you in the next video.